This is what depression is like. It is a mental illness that our own government refuses to acknowledge. It leaves you feeling cold, empty, and in darkness. It leaves you without any hope. Anything can cause it, anything can trigger it, but there is hope. Depression can be treated. It can be treated through medication, psychotherapy, diet, exercise, and even meditation and yoga. Please consult your doctor about what course of treatment would be best for you. If you feel that you are without hope and that you want to harm yourself, please don't. Reach out to a friend, family member, or neighbor you can trust, or contact the Suicide Prevention Hotline at 1-800-273-8255, or contact them online at www.suicidepreventionlifeline.org. Suicide is a permanent solution to a temporary problem.